Hello everyone and welcome to our maths lesson today. Today you're going to be solving word questions and this video is just going to help you remind you of the method of how to do them, okay? So, today you'll be solving addition and, no not addition, sorry I'm going mad, multiplication and division word problems, okay? So let's start off with the multiplication one so we can recap the method. Okay, so 27 times 4. Okay, now you should be really good at this method. Okay, we draw a line, 2 down and 6 across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So over here I write times, and I'm going to partition that 27 to 20 and 7. Okay, I write 20 there and 7 there, and over here I'm going to write 4. Okay, 20 times 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 8 times 10 is 80. Okay, make sure you do those two steps because otherwise you will make mistakes. 7 times 4 is 28. Okay, and all I have to do is recombine them. Okay, I add them together, 80 plus 28. Ooh, just wrote my 8, let me rub that out and do it again. 20 plus 8 equals 108. Okay, terrible writing today. I'll try and make that a bit neater. 108. There we go. And there's my answer. Okay, so that's how to do multiplication. If you have, for example, a 3-digit number by 1 digit, so 284 times 2, you'll make your grid a bit bigger. Okay, so I'm just going to do it now. 2 down, and I'm going to do 10 across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put my pen there. Okay, 1. And I'll put my times. Remember, you can do your working out on paper, you can do your working out in your books, you can do your working out on Jamboard or on Canvas. It's really important that you do your working out though, children, okay, because otherwise you might make mistakes. Okay, so I'm going to push it to 280 and 4, and I'm timesing it all by 2. 2 times 2 equals 4, 4 times 100 equals 400. 2 times 8 equals 16, 16 times 10 equals 160. And 4 times 2 equals 8. Okay, recombine them. I'm going to do a really big one here. 400, 160. Make sure your zeros don't look like 6s. I sometimes do that. And 8. I'll leave 3 lines. First note, I'm going to add the 0. 0 plus 0 plus 8 equals 8. 0 plus 6 equals 6 tens. 400 plus 100 equals 500. And then the answer is 568. Okay, so that's how to do multiplication. Okay. Right, so now look at division. Now we're doing loads of division, so we should be really good. So I'm just going to do 2 examples of division questions, one with remainders, one without remainders. Okay, just as a recap, although you should be really good at this. 322 divided by 8. Okay, so a pretty big question, this one. I'm going to write my key facts here. 1, 2, 5, 10. And leave my 8 times table. 1 times 8 equals 8, 2 times 8 equals 16, 5 times 8 equals 40, 8 times 10 equals 80. I'm just going to move my picture up here. Right, I draw my number line now. One end I write 0, at the end I'm going to write 322. And I'm going to start adding 80s. It's 80 there, and that's worth 10. Now the jump of 80, 160. Now the jump of 80, it's worth 10, and that gets me to 240. And I think I can do another jump of 80. Yep, I can. That gets me to 320. And now I'm stuck. I can't do any more, so I'm going to have a remainder there. I'm going to have a remainder 2. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 40. Equals 40. Remainder 2. Okay. Remember, if you get to the answer, you won't have a remainder. Okay, let's do one last one. Okay, we're going to do 175 divided by 7. Okay, so I write my key facts. 1, 2, 5, 10. Draw my line. 1 times 7 equals 7. 2 times 7 equals 14. 5 times 7 equals 35. 7 times 10 equals 70. Draw my number line. At one end I write 0. The other I write 175. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to jump 70 because that's my biggest I can do. And that's worth 10. Okay, I'm on 70. Let me jump another 70 because that'll get me to 140. And that's worth 10. Now, I can't do another 70 because that will take me past 175, but I can do a jump of 35. And that will take me to 175. Okay, we have to do a bit of mental maths there to work that out. And that jump is worth 5. So the answer is 10 plus 10 plus 5, which equals 25. 175 divided by 7 equals 25 with no remainder. So that's your task for today. You need to make sure you're going to be solving word problems. You need to read the questions carefully. They're tricky. Make sure you're working out what you need to do. And then you'll need to do your working out on some paper or on a book or on some sort of whiteboard software like this. Please don't work it out in your head because you will make mistakes, and then you'll need to answer the question. But make sure you read carefully to see what the question is, if it's a multiplication or division question. If you're playing the secret code game, today's secret code is rotten bananas. Okay, so if you're playing today the secret code game with your class might not be, it might be. Today's code is rotten bananas. Right, so good luck with your activity, and make sure you click turn in or mark your work as done when you've finished your quiz. Bye.